In every corner of the world, the quest for independence has been a defining chapter in the human history. It's a tale of courage, sacrifice, and an unyielding desire for self determination. Today, we journey through the profound struggle for independence that shaped a nation's identity. To understand the struggle for independence, we must first dwell into the past. The story begins in an era of colonial domination and foreign rule. This was a time when the desire for freedom was born out of oppression and injustice. The significance of Indian independence extends beyond its historical context. It represents a journey of resilience, self discovery, and continual growth. As India continues to evolve, the values and aspirations of its independence remain a guiding light for its future. In remembering August 15, 1947, we honor the spirit of freedom and the ongoing story of India's remarkable journey.
The entry of British into India marked the beginning of a transformative and often turbulent chapter in the subcontinent's history. This is the story of how a small trading company gradually extended its control over a vast and diverse land, reshaping the region's destiny forever. The East India Company started as a commercial enterprise with the sole purpose of expanding trade routes and maximizing profits. Initially, its focus was on spices, textiles, and other luxury goods, which were highly sought after in Europe. By the mid 17th century, the company's role had evolved from mere traders to powerful political actors. With the acquisition of territory and the establishment of administrative systems, the East India Company began to exert greater control over the vast regions of India. The turning point came with the Battle of Plassey in 1757, where the company's military triumph over the Nawab of Bengal marked the beginning of British dominance in India. The company's role shifted from that of a trader to a ruler, laying the foundation for British colonial rule.
1857 की रात्रि बनी स्वतंत्रता की बुनाई, संघर्ष की लहर ने मचाया सच्चे जज्बात की छाई, वीरता की हर कहानी में बसी शहादत की यादें, क्रांति की राह में बिखरी संघर्ष की आदतें. In 1857, wave of discontent swept across India, culminating in a monumental uprising against British rule. Known as the First War of Indian Independence, this revolt marked a pivotal moment in the struggle for freedom. The immediate trigger of the revolt was the mutiny at Meerut in May 1857. Soldiers, discontented with the British military practices and religious insensitivity, rose up against their officers. This act of defiance quickly spread to other regions, igniting a widespread rebellion. The revolt saw the emergence of several key figures. In the heart of 19th century India, a fearless leader emerged from the royal city of Jhansi. Rani Lakshmi Bai, the Queen of Jhansi.
मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी,
became a symbol of courage and resistance during the 1857 revolt. Her legacy, marked by bravery and unyielding spirit, continues to inspire generations. Mangal Pandey.
मारो फिरंगियों को.
Stands as a symbol of defiance and the struggle for freedom. In 1857, the sepoy of the British East India Company became the unlikely hero who ignited the First War of Indian Independence. Among the stalwart leaders of 1857 revolt, Tatya Tope.
We fight for our freedom and our land.
Tatya Tope emerged as a master tactician and relentless warrior. Known for his strategic brilliance and unwavering resolve, Tope became a central figure in the fight against British colonial rule.
Indian National Congress was founded by Allan Octavian Hume and led by visionaries like Umesh Chandra Banerjee. The INC started as a platform for moderate reform and dialogue with British government. It aimed to address the political and social grievances of Indians through peaceful means. The formation of the INC marked the beginning of a transformative journey towards independence. In the landscape of India's early struggle for independence, one name stands out as a pioneering force: Dadabhai Naoroji.
The drain of wealth from India to Britain has been continuous and systematic.
Known as the Great Old Man of India, Nauroji was a key architect in the fight against colonial exploitation and the quest for self-governance. Banerjee was a leading voice in the Indian National Congress.
Freedom is our birthright and we must have it.
And a stunned prompt of self-rule. His relentless effort to address issues of administrative reform, representation, and civil rights laid the groundwork for a more inclusive nationalist movement. Gokhale.
The way to serve the nation is to work for its betterment.
A leading figure in the Indian National Congress, a champion of constitutional reform, his moderate approach and emphasis on education and social justice laid the foundation for a broader movement towards self-rule.
Raja Ram Mohan Roy was the founder of the Brahmo Samaj, who fought against social evils like sati and child marriage.
A society based on justice and equality is the foundation of a great nation.
Swami Vivekanand promoted Indian culture and spirituality and emphasized importance of self-reliance.
Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached.
Jyotirao Phule was a pioneering force for social justice and equality. His relentless effort to challenge the entrenched caste system and promote education for the marginalized laid the foundation for a more inclusive society.
Education is the only weapon to overcome inequality.
Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar campaigned against social discrimination towards untouchables, the Dalits, and played a key role in drafting Indian Constitution.
And measured the progress of community by the degrees of progress which can women have achieved.
महात्मा गांधी का आदर्श हर दिल में समाया, सत्य और अहिंसा का जो पाठ पढ़ाया। महात्मा गांधी का आदर्श हर दिल में समाया, सत्य और अहिंसा का जो पाठ पढ़ाया। उनकी चुप्पी में भी था विद्रोह का शोर, उनकी हर राह पर चला हर एक हिंदुस्तानी और शोर। Gandhi's arrival marked the beginning of a new era in the Indian freedom movement. His philosophy of satyagraha, non-violent resistance, would soon become the cornerstone of mass mobilization against British colonial rule. Mahatma Gandhi, leader of Indian independence movement and advocate of non-violent resistance.
Be the change you wish to see in the world.
Inspired by Gandhi's philosophy of satyagraha, the National Cooperation movement urged Indians to withdraw cooperation with British institutes, boycott British good, and resign from government jobs. This unprecedented national mobilization united people across region and communities in a collective struggle for self-rule. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was first Prime Minister of India and a central figure in politics.
At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, first Deputy Prime Minister and a key figure in the integration of India.
Faith is of no avail in the absence of strength. Faith and strength both are essential to accomplish any great work.
Purna Swaraj Declaration galvanized the Indian independence movement, setting the stage for intensified struggle and uniting millions in the fight for free and independent India. Its legacy is celebrated annually as Republic Day, a tribute to the vision and determination of India's freedom fighters. In the heart of colonial India, a movement was about to unfold that would forever alter the course of history. This is the story of the Salt March, the journey of resistance, courage, and the fight for freedom. In the early 20th century, India was under British rule and the subjugation was profound. One of the most burdensome impositions was the salt tax, a tax that not only stifled economic freedom but also symbolized the larger oppression faced by millions. The Round Table Conferences were pivotal in the history of British-Indian relations. Third Round Table Conference was characterized by intense discussions and negotiations. Key issues included the structure of future Indian governance, communal representation, and the nature of constitutional reforms. Emanation of ongoing negotiations and pressures for constitutional reform in India. On August 8, 1942, the INC under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi launched the Quit India movement. The call was clear: do or die. The movement aimed to force the British to leave India immediately and end their colonial rule. संग्राम की हर धड़कन में छुपी स्वतंत्रता की आशा, उनकी कुर्बानियों से ही मिली आजादी की कीमत की भाषा। संग्राम की हर धड़कन में छुपी स्वतंत्रता की आशा, उनकी कुर्बानियों से ही मिली आजादी की कीमत की भाषा।
स्वतंत्रता की राह पर लड़े वीरों ने बलिदान, स्वतंत्रता की राह पर लड़े वीरों ने बलिदान, हम उनके संघर्ष को न भूलेंगे, रहे उनकी याद महान, रहे उनकी याद महान। The revolutionary leaders played a crucial role in gaining India's independence. Bhagat Singh, a revolutionary freedom fighter known for his brave action against the British.
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद।
Rajguru, a revolutionary leader who was executed along Bhagat Singh.
Let us die with honor.
Sukhdev, a revolutionary who sacrificed his life for independence.
The fight for freedom is the noblest cause.
The Indian National Army was officially formed in 1942 with the support of Japan. Bose's vision was to create a force that could directly challenge British rule. INA soldiers were primarily Indian prisoners of war and expatriates living in Southeast Asia. Subhash Chandra Bose, leader of Indian National Army.
Give me blood and I shall give you freedom.
Swatantra Veer Savarkar, a freedom fighter and a prominent figure in Indian independence movement.
We must be courageous, daring, and strong to achieve our goal.
Sarojini Naidu, freedom fighter and poet known as the Nightingale of India.
We want deeper sincerity of motive, a greater courage in speech and earnestness in action.
Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, an Indian scholar and senior leader of the Indian National Congress.
Education imparted by heart can bring revolution in the society.
Chittaranjan Das, a nationalist leader and lawyer who defended Arvind Ghosh in the Alipur bomb case.
Swaraj is our birthright, and we will achieve it through self-reliance.
British government, grappling with the pressures of the war and the mounting unrest in India, began to reconsider its position. The Labour government elected in 1945 was more inclined towards negotiating with Indian leaders. The path to independence became increasingly inevitable. The British decision to leave India was driven by both economic exertion and increasing unrest. The complex interplay of political demands, communal tensions, and the pressures of the global post-war order led to the decision for the partition of India. The partition led to one of the largest mass migrations in human history. Hindus and Muslims were displaced as they crossed newly drawn borders, leading to widespread violence, communal riots, and several humanitarian crises. But apart from this, the streets of India were alive with celebration, from the bustling cities to the rural villages. The entire nation came together to celebrate its newfound freedom. The joy and relief were pliable as people from all walks of life rejoined in their independence.
As we conclude our exploration to India's path to independence, we reflect on a journey marked by extraordinary courage, resilience, and vision. The story of India's struggle for freedom is a testament to the indomitable spirit of its people and the profound impact of their collective efforts. On 15 August 1947, a new chapter began as India emerged as an independent nation. The excitement and hope of that movement were palpable as Jawaharlal Nehru's historic address captured the essence of a national reborn. The dreams and aspirations of countless individuals converged in the creation of a sovereign state. As we celebrate Independence Day, we honor the journey of a nation that has overcome immense challenges to become a symbol of resilience and hope. The story of Indian independence is a reminder of the power of collective action and the enduring spirit of people united in their quest for freedom. India's independence is not just a moment in history, but a continuing journey for growth, unity, and progress. As the nation looks to the future, it remains ever mindful for the sacrifices and the dreams fulfilled. The story of India's freedom is a beacon of hope for generations to come. नहीं भूल सकते उन घावों को जो लड़े स्वतंत्रता की राह, उनकी तपस्या की वजह से आजादी का दिन आया है वाह।
सारा जहां देख लिया है, कहीं भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं हंसी नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, अभी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू